before understanding the term samas, we will see some sentences to understand what is samas. Janaha desha bhaktam pujayanti. Janaha kam pujayanti? Janaha desha bhaktam pujayanti. Janaha kasya bhaktam pujayanti? Janaha deshasya bhaktam pujayanti. So here desha bhaktam comes as object in the sentence, and that is again divided into two parts, desh and bhakt, and the first word has a vibhakti, deshasya bhaktam, because the word meaning of desha bhaktam is deshasya bhaktam, the devotee of the country. Vriksharudaha vanaraha kurdante. Kidrishaha vanaraha kurdante? Vriksharudaha. Kam arudaha vanaraha kurdante? Vriksham. Vriksham arudaha vanaraha kurdante. The monkeys which are on the tree. So it's not saptami, it is object. The tree becomes object. Vriksham arudaha vanaraha kurdante. Vrikshapaditani amrani pakwani. Kani amrani pakwani? Which mangoes are ripe? Vrikshapatitani. Kasmad patitani amrani pakwani. When something is falling down, from where is the question? So, kasmad patitani amrani pakwani. Vrikshat patitani amrani pakwani. Balakaha kridakshetre kridanti. Balakaha kutra kridanti? Kridakshetre. Balakaha kasyaha kshetre kridanti? Kridayaha kshetre. So here we see some words which are joined without any sandhi. It is not joined between two letters, but it is joined on the basis of its meaning. Deshasya bhaktaha deshabhaktaha. Vriksham arudaha vriksharudaha. Vrikshat patitaha or patitani vrikshapatitani. Kridayaha kshetram kridakshetram. Atra vayam pashyamaha yat ubari likhiteshu vakyeshu sthulapadanam nirmanam dve pade yojayitva kridamasti. Two words are joined to make a single word. So those type of words are called samasta padam. Samyukta padam samasta padam kadhyate. Evam cha pratak pratak rube sthitani padani vigraha padani kadhyante. So here Kriyā kshetre is called samasta padam because samas rule is applied to make that word. And when we say Kridayaha kshetram, it is called vigraha vakyam. We are splitting the word on the basis of its meaning. That is called vigraha vakyam. Like, so that is the meaning of samas, the word samas. Samasanam samasaha. Joining is samasaha. Arthad anegani padani yojayitva ega pada nirmanasya vidhi. We are joining many words to make one word on the basis of its connection in between, on the basis of its meaning in between. That is called samasaha. Then there will be two words, Purva Padam and Uttara Padam. Samase yat pradhamam padam bhavati tat Purva Padam kadhyate. For example, Vidyalayaha. Vidyayaha alayaha Vidyalayaha. So Vidyayaha is Purva Padam. And what is Uttara Padam? Samase Purva Padad Anantaram Prayuktam Padam Uttara Padam kadhyate. The second word is called Uttara Padam. So here Vidyayaha is Purva Padam, Alayaha is Uttara Padam, and Samasta Padam is Vidyalayaha. Put together it is called Vidyalayaha. Basically there are four types of samas: Avyaya samas, Tatpurush samas, Dvandva samas and Bahuvrihi. Open the Class 10 Sanskrit Maṇikā Part-2 course in our channel by clicking on Courses. Remember, each lesson is connected, so don't skip the sequence. Spend a few minutes every day and Sanskrit grammar will become easy and natural for you. I will meet you in the next class. Let's continue learning step by step.